You use the moon to predict the markets. You must be crazy. I understand. When I first heard of
What is up, my disciples? Coding Jesus here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Coding Jesus. I'm a quantitative developer, meaning I write server and client-side applications for traders at the firm that I work at. Now guys, if I sound a little different today, that's because I've been sick these past couple of days. I'm now fully healed, but my throat, or my voice rather, still sounds a little weird. It sounds mysterious, I like it, but that's why I sound a little strange. Now today's video is going to be about, I don't really want to talk about them, but this video is so ridiculous. It's going to be about day traders. Now we're not going to be focusing on day traders from the West. We're going to be focusing on the even more diluted strain of day traders in the East. Now today's video, you guys are not going to believe it. It's going to be about day traders literally using astrology to trade. Now, I always make fun of day traders using technical analysis as being equivalent to using astrology to trade, because we all know that day trading using technical analysis has no edge whatsoever. But there are people in the East that are literally using astrology in order to actually trade, and I want to show you what they're doing. Now, I need to give credit to actually one of my viewers that sent me the website of this day trading guru that sells you astrology in order to actually trade. So before we take a look at the video where a day trading guru is telling you to use the sun and the moon to trade, let's read this email here from one of my very, very loyal and funny subscribers. Hey, Coding Jesus. I'm usually not interactive with channels I'm subscribed to, but I found this rather peculiar trader that trades on the movements of the moon and tides. By way of introduction, I'm currently a business and computer science major studying in Singapore. I've not seen many YouTubers try to unveil this that goes behind Singaporean gurus, and was hoping you might consider this. I'm gonna attach his glorious charts and trade ideas as well. Do prepare some bleach to cleanse your eyes. This shit just boggles my mind. How one is nuts enough to mentor people to trade off power energy whoosh. I've heard a lot of this, but this guy's seriously at another level. Thought it would make for an interesting video. Yes, it will make for an interesting video. And this person isn't really different from most day trading gurus. This person is just a more distilled version of day trading. He is the actual day trader, right? So he is the actual day trader because day trading using technical analysis is astrology. And he's like, fuck it. I don't actually want to learn anything that has to do with TA. I'm just going to tell people to look at the moon and the sun, and they're still going to buy it. All right, so let's take a look at some of these charts here. Alrighty, this looks like a chart somebody would use to meme day trading, but this is a serious chart people are day trading based off of. I mean, looks powerful to me, looks important. Alrighty, yeah. This will definitely help you trading. Let's take a look at a text screenshot. Morning, as I warned last night, a power whoosh energy happened on 25. Look at the size of the bar compared to a few days before. Today we have a BMM energy, but it's a Friday. So BMM will be moved to a Monday next week instead, due to the support recovery from last night from a drop of negative 300 pips to positive 500 pips. You think a drop of negative pips would be a positive increase, but anyways. We will use the stronger 29 energy to take BMM. I expect it to be wilder than what happened on the 25 last night. These are all obviously code words that mean nothing but make people think that they're actually doing something, make people think that they're smart. But enough with this charts. Let's actually take a look at the video where he tells you that you can use power whoosh energy.
90%. There's a percentage of traders that lose their money in trading. To give you another perspective, there's 9 out of 10 people losing their hard-earned money. But did you know that there's a way to actually increase your profitability in trading and achieve a successful period of over 70% consistent?
70% win rate, but I don't generate alpha, so my win rate doesn't mean anything. See, day traders will, like I said, use this number as a win rate to make you think that they actually generate large amounts of money. And as I mentioned, it's possible in a bubble of time to make money day trading, similar to how it's possible in a bubble of time to make money in a casino. That doesn't mean you have consistent edge and can generate consistent returns that beat the benchmark.
It's not your traditional form of trading where you rely on indicators like MACD, Fibonacci, and ATR. It's actually a form of trading where we use gravitational force of the moon to accurately predict the market. We call it time trading.
They're going to use the gravitational pull of the moon to help you trade. Alright, and people actually believe this. So the way that traditional day traders that use TA look at this guy and they say, wow, you're a fraud and you don't know what you're talking about, just to give you perspective, quantitative traders look at day traders using TA and think the exact same way. So hopefully now that you've seen how ridiculous this person is, trying to convince you to use the gravitational pull of the moon, hopefully you can internalize that and see how quantitative traders look at day traders using TA in the same way, as delusional and crazy. Let's continue.
Hey there, Mexico here. Now, I know what you're thinking. You use the moon to predict the markets. You must be crazy. I understand. When I first heard of it, I thought the entire concept was crazy too. But it wasn't until I copied some trades from a group of time traders when I realized the potential of it. I went from being an unprofitable trader who was constantly stressed, confused, anxious whenever I trade, to a trader.
So this is them trying to pull you into their marketing funnel. They're trying to connect you on a personal level. Oh, I get it. You were stressed, weren't you? Oh, that must suck. Oh yeah, you were losing money. Oh yeah, but no, I have the secret. I'll be the one to tell you how to make a ton of money.
Filled with confidence and a win rate of over 70%. Now, time trading isn't some sort of magic that can turn anyone into a millionaire overnight. No one can accurately predict the markets down to the T. But time trading is actually a series of mathematical formulas just like your standard indicators that can help you predict the market movements more accurately on top of your current standard indicators.
Alright, there are no mathematical formulas in this here, by the way, guys. I've looked at the website, I've looked around, there's nothing about math. People will often tell you it's about math, and this, and that, and that. But this isn't quantitative trading. There is no quantitative in this trading. This is moon-based trading where you're using the gravitational pull.
Kind of adding like a safety net to your trade. And because we are much safer with our trades, it's not hard to achieve a 70% success rate. For the past hundreds of years, time trading was used only by the best traders, mathematicians, and investors because it was so complex, which is why most people never heard of it.
Yo, you heard Warren Buffett's using the gravitational waves of the moon to trade? Damn, I didn't know that. Where's that in the 2020 prospectus?
Never heard of it. But for the last couple of years, I devoted my resources to create a time trading framework that any traders can now use. And it didn't just work for me, it's worked for many other traders who had no prior experience in time trading. So if you want to see what time trading is and how you can gain an edge over your competitors and achieve a higher success rate, then click on the link around this video to register for our free online training. In the training, I'll show you how to use simple methods to easily and accurately predict future prices of any stock, FX, indices, and so on.
Nobody can predict the market to a T, but I will show you how to accurately predict the market from days to months in advance. This person can't even predict what he's going to wear the next day or eat for breakfast, and he's telling you that he can use the gravitational pull of the moon to predict what the market will do months ahead of time. And what amazes me is people fall for this. And that's why I'm so confused about whether I should even be creating videos about this. Because people will still fall for this despite the fact that I make videos about this. In fact, the people that fall for this the most will scream the loudest in the comment section that this guy's legit, that it works, blah, 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 day trading. And the people that comment the most on my videos regarding day trading, their comments show me that they haven't even watched the video. They haven't watched beyond the first 10 seconds, and they haven't read beyond the headline, or the video title rather, in my video. So while I like making videos, just laughing at these people, it's oftentimes not very effective at changing people's minds. Anyways, let's just kill this video and finish it.
From days to months in advance. The science behind how planetary movements and moon phases affect all markets and everyone in them. How to use astrological signals to know when is the best time to enter and exit a trade to make the most profits. So if you want to learn...
I heard Citadel's hiring for their astrological moon prediction division. Maybe he can lead the team, I don't know.
How to use time trading system that has a win rate of over 70% and gain an edge over your competitors, then click on the link around this video and register for the free online training that will be happening soon.
You definitely have to be a nut to sign up for this. So I guess he got half of his trading name here right, Conut. Alright, let's take a look at the website. Learn how you can sharpen and enhance your technical analysis skills drastically and increase your trading accuracy, possibly beyond the 70% mark, possibly. Oh no, he can get you above 70% in the video, but on the website it's possibly by using this underrated method. Oh, and by the way, this possible 70%? Yeah, it just depends on your portfolio. Yeah, I don't know. Like, whatever you have in your portfolio, I don't know. Yeah, something like that. Astrology. He's literally bragging about using astrology to predict prices. In this webinar, you will get to witness how time traders unveil the link of planetary and moon movements, such as moon strikes. I don't know why there's a quote here and there's no quote here. Anyways. And the market with historical data that makes you wonder how universal energy affects everyone in the markets, and the theory behind such behaviors that affects all markets, including crypto indices, FX, commodities, and reveal the science behind astrology. I didn't think you can have astrology and science in the same sentence before, but I'm learning new things every day. All right, well, I can already tell this is a total joke, but I want to actually talk about something that allowed me to make sense of this all. Now, I worked in Hong Kong. If you watch my videos before, I've worked in Hong Kong for a year and a half. Now, in Hong Kong and places in the East, there's a very big phenomenon called feng shui, or feng shui in English, all right? And what that is, it's an understanding that if you put, and it's a false understanding, but it's an understanding regardless, that if you put certain objects in certain places, then that will help put your life in order and achieve a natural balance. People in very top senior positions that are business leaders in places in the East, they really do believe in feng shui, and as an extension, maybe a large contingency of them really do believe in these moon cycles, in these gravitational moon astrological cycles. So maybe there's some cultural influence here. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed looking at the new advances coming out of the East in terms of day trading and delusion, make sure to give me a like on this video. If you didn't like it, that's fine. Give me a dislike, and if you really didn't like it, double tap dislike to show me just how angry you are. Guys, I have a Patreon if you'd like to become a patron. Link in the description box below. You get a lot of cool perks. If you'd like to join this community, make sure to click on the Discord link in the description box below. If you'd like to learn how to build a trading engine, I have a series on that. You can check it out on my channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can click the join button right under this video. And guys, if you'd like to talk to me one-on-one, go ahead and email me at thecodingjesus@codingjesus.com, or directly click on the Calendly link in the description box below. codingjesus.com is coming very soon, and you will be able to book a session with me directly via codingjesus.com. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Like, subscribe, blah, 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 all yada yada. Cheers.